Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Isolera Godfigo, and in this video I will show you how to publish your Power BI report from Power BI Desktop to Power BI Service. Now, if you're new to Power BI Desktop is where you build and design your reports, while Power BI Service is the cloud platform where you can share, can view, and collaborate on those reports online. So by the end of this video, you know how to move your report from your computer to the cloud. So let's get started. Now, first things first, this is the report we're going to be using for today's demo. This is my sales performance overview, and this is my marketing performance overview. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on your landing page. Now, when you publish your report and you have a link, which page do you want your users to view first? So that is your landing page. I want my users to see the sales performance overview first, right? So you want to make sure that you are on your landing page. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are signed into your Power BI account. Now, to sign up for your Power BI account, you need a school or work email. Power BI will not allow you to use your personal email, so you want to make sure that you have that. So once you've signed up, you want to make sure you have an account with Power BI. So once you have already signed up, you can now sign in. So to sign in, top right here, you click on this and you sign into your account. I'm already signed in, so you can see my name here. Now, once you are done, you want to make sure that you go to the home tab. On the home tab, you're going to click on the publish button. So once you click on the publish button, it'll ask you, do you want to save your changes? So you say, yes, I want to save my changes. I'm going to say save. Now, as soon as I save, Power BI is going to ask me to choose my workspace. Okay. My workspace, which is this one here, is for your use. It's like your personal space. Why any other workspaces that are going to be here are for collaboration with teams. So I'm going to click on my workspace. I'm going to see select. And it's going to take a while for it to publish. Once it is done publishing, you're going to see like a link here. So now you can see success here. You can see that it's saying that report has been published. So it's going to ask me to open this link. So I'm going to click on this link. So as soon as I click on this link, it's going to take me to um, Power BI service. So now that it has opened up, you want to click on file. Once you click on file, you click on embed reports. Then you click on publish to web. So it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you that, oh, do you want to get a link or embed code that you can include in the public website, all of this. You just want to click continue. So it's telling you that once you publish this, anyone on the internet will be able to access this. So you want to click publish. So once you are done, you can copy this link here to check if this is working. You can open a new tab to Ctrl V. So now that we are sure that the link is working, we can test out the buttons. You can see that the link is working. And I also like to show you how you can export as PDF. So you want to click on this export button and you want to click on PDF. So you click on export and you see that it's exporting here. So it's going to take a few minutes for it to export. So once this is done, you get like, and see this PDF here. You open it up, which I'm going to open up here. And you can see the report in PDF format. Next video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.